Hello, my name is Cooper.
Hello, my name is Anston. Hello, my name is Aaron. Hello, my name is Wendy.
Today is Friday, January 23rd, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, on January 24th, MSD of Martinsville will be hosting an exciting robotics competition at Bell Intermediate Academy. Teams need to be there by 7:45. Good luck to all of our teams. On February 6th, help us by supporting health by wearing red for Cardiovascular Health Awareness Day. On February 13th, we'll be celebrating Valentine's Day parties. Finally, on February 24th, our 4th grade students will be going on a special field trip to the Indianapolis Symphony Orchestra.
In kindergarten, they learned a little about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. They did an experiment where they learned that although they look all different on the outside, they are all the same on the inside.
Wall Street has been busy studying how America gained its independence from Great Britain. They've learned about the founding fathers George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, and Benjamin Franklin. Did you know that Thomas Jefferson designed his own house and it is on the back of the nickel? Wowza!
Second grade began a unit on penguins. They are learning all about where penguins live, what they eat, what they look like, who their enemies are, and why they are endangered. Did you know there are 18 different species of penguins?
The 3rd graders are learning about fossils this week. Did you know that fossils are traces of remains of plants and animals that lived more than 10,000 years ago?
This week in computer science, students are taking a typing test. Everyone did their best so we could show how much you've improved.
STEM. This week, many classes did some experiments with balloons. We had lots of fun.
After school activities. Good luck to the robotics teams as they represent Brooklyn STEM Academy in this tournament this weekend. They have worked hard to prepare for this event.
From the Bulldog Cafe, we are starting a competition during lunchtime. Here's a message from Miss Bobby from the cafeteria to explain what we will be doing.
Hi, I'm Miss Bobby. I'm school lunch lady. We're trying to get more of you to eat more school free lunches. If you bring your lunch from home, you can still eat a free lunch. We're trying to get this golden goose right here, and we're also going to have a contest between the grades to see who can eat more free school lunches. We're gonna start doing a taste test, testing the foods next week, see what everybody likes, what they dislike. We're gonna display it here on the wall, what everybody likes or don't like, and we're gonna display how many kids in each grade are eating. And then at the end, we're gonna have so we're gonna do a contest, and at the end, we're going to give prizes to the grade that ate the most lunches. And then after next week, we want to continue for you to eat more free lunches, so we can keep our program going for the years to come, and also so we can keep this golden goose. Currently, Poston has had it the most for 2 weeks, and we want to keep it. Let's try for a month keeping her. So come and eat free school lunch.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
We have 2 positive office referrals this week. They both come from Miss Rollins' room. We have Milani, who works hard every single day and is determined to be the best student that she can be, and Wyatt. He works hard, helps others, and always does his best. Good job, you two. After announcements, come up for your book.
Joking week. What do you call a ghost in the windstorm?
What do you call a ghost in the winter?
Casper.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye!